Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first this evening, an investigation has been launched into an early morning crash which injured 6 passengers and 8 crew members on a Fly Jamaica airplane.
The aircraft crashed 18 minutes after takeoff from the TVJ International Airport in Georgetown, Guyana. Details from News Source Guyana.
6 passengers were injured this morning as a Fly Jamaica 757 aircraft was forced to make an emergency landing at Guyana's TVJ Airport. The flight with 120 passengers and 8 crew members on board departed Guyana for Toronto, Canada just after 2 o'clock this morning. However, less than 30 minutes into the flight, the pilot made contact with Guyana's air traffic control at the TVJ Airport, seeking permission to return. Air traffic control was told that the airplane was encountering problems with its hydraulic systems. In making the return and emergency landing, the plane overshot the recently extended runway at the airport and made its way through the perimeter fence, only coming to a stop when it encountered a heavy buildup of sand close to a ditch. Emergency crews were immediately activated and were able to get all passengers and crew members safely off the plane. News Source spoke with some of those passengers who were on board.
The plane landed and I did feel something like a brake was being put on, and then we passed the airport building.
The pilot said they have to turn back. There is a hydraulic problem. So he turned back, and then coming I could hear the noise. And he said, prepare for landing. And then just a few minutes, the plane come down and you could hear it land good, but then it go and you feel it jockeying.
The airport was temporarily closed off following the emergency landing, but it has now been reopened. Other flights are now able to land and depart from the airport. The Guyana Civil Aviation Authority is leading the investigations. Other international aviation authorities are expected to join the probe.
As Minister, we have designated an investigator in charge of the investigation that has been designated, so therefore that investigator from the GCA is in charge of the site until further notice.